Toyota's effort to make a dent in the Big Three's dominance of full-size pickup trucks persists. To this end, Toyota announced a new limited edition Tundra model dubbed the 1794 Limited Edition, which features a unique interior and exterior design and a lift kit. The 1794 Limited Edition receives a modest performance boost in the form of 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass shocks with piggyback reservoirs and a 1.1-inch lift. The majority of the changes for the 1794 Limited Edition are visual and material. The truck's exterior features a dark chrome finish for the grille and side moldings, as well as blacked-out accents to set it apart from the rest of the pack. The tailgate loses the standard Tundra text in favor of a unique marking that further distinguishes the truck. The interior distinguishes itself further from other Tundras by incorporating copious quantities of brown leather. Toyota claims that the design was created in collaboration with the Saddleback Leather Company of Texas. Toyota is throwing in a matching leather accessory package with the pickup that consists of a duffel bag, tool roll, owner's manual box, key glove, and a small bag. The 1794 Limited Edition will be limited to only 1,500 units and go on sale in the spring of 2024. We do not yet have official pricing information, but we anticipate that it will be a few $1,000s more than the base price of $64,310 for the standard 1794 configuration.